Generating books using artificial intelligence (AI) can be a lucrative venture if approached correctly. AI has the potential to assist in creating content more efficiently, although leveraging this technology for profit involves a blend of strategic positioning, creativity, and ensuring compliance with ethical and copyright standards. Here are steps and considerations to make money using AI-generated books. Identify a niche. Before you start, determine the genres or topics that have demand but are underserved. AI can be particularly useful for generating informational or technical content, guides, or even certain types of fiction. Choose the right tool. Research and select an AI platform or model suitable for your needs. OpenAI's GPT variants, for example, are capable of generating human-like text. Generate content. Use the AI tool to generate content. This might involve providing prompts, editing outputs, and iterating based on feedback. Review and edit. AI-generated content will invariably require human oversight. Proofread and edit the generated material to ensure it meets quality standards, is coherent, and provides value. Ensure originality. Ensure that the content is original and hasn't been plagiarized from existing sources. While AI models like GPT-3 generate content based on vast amounts of data, they don't copy in the traditional sense, but being cautious helps. Comply with ethical standards. Be transparent that the content was AI-generated if that's the case. This fosters trust with your readers and avoids potential ethical dilemmas. Monetization strategies. Self-publish. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Gumroad allow authors to publish books and earn royalties. Subscription model. Offer AI-generated reports, articles, or books on a regular basis to subscribers. Sell to publishers. Traditional or e-publishers might be interested if the content is of high quality and serves their audience. Print on demand. Use platforms like Printful or Lulu to offer physical copies without maintaining inventory. Marketing. Build an online presence through social media, blogging, or partnerships. Consider running advertising campaigns or promotions to boost initial sales. Get reviews for your AI-generated books, as positive reviews can greatly influence potential buyers.